lighting is horrible, but I'm going to be surprising my sister by painting myself to look like TSIREYA, Princess TSIREYA from Avatar. And I found this tie-dye shirt from high school band. Surprisingly, it's almost perfect, pretty much. It's the first time I'll be gluing down my brows, I think. And hopefully it'll go well. So I'm using these froggy glue sticks from the dollar store. Wish me luck. Let's go. I'm gonna be real with y'all, gluing down my brows was a complete disaster, and you're gonna see one of my brows looks sort of glued down, sort of covered, sort of decent, and one of them just looks like absolute crap. But I kind of tried to follow this technique that I saw used by drag queens, and it didn't really work. Probably because I tried using glue from the dollar store, and as you can see, it's not looking very hot. I kind of deleted a lot of these videos because it was embarrassing. But I did keep some of them for y'all, so enjoy this train wreck. So I just kind of skipped to me painting my face, this lovely shade of bluish teal, sort of. I don't know, it just looked like the right shade. And I'm just, you know, kind of going around and covering up my face with all this.
No compromising. Make up your mind. We're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind. Lay it all on the line. Soft
Back to the Orogitas. I don't know why the lighting is doing this thing. It makes me look a lot darker blue and sometimes teal. Anyway, like I said, I was able to make one of them look sort of okay, and then one of them looks like Patch City. So anyway, I started brightening my under eyes, trying to make some sort of highlight. Then I started going in and doing some of the designing, and this was really inspired by a lot of artwork that I saw on Instagram, and I just started drawing these little squiggly lines and some shimmers to highlight, and I also tried to contour with a little bit of a darker teal shade. It was kind of difficult to do this since, you know, obviously I'm used to using skin colored contour, and I also used like this Huda Beauty liquid eyeshadow for a highlight, and I also used it in between some of those squiggly lines. I didn't do a super complicated eye look because she didn't have really much going on. I just added some shimmers. I also added all of these pearls to give that whole water effect, and I added this jewelry to match and this dark blue lip. And here is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to stick around for the end for the reaction video.
nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart. How you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god.
But you have to show Dada. You have to show the waist.
Dada ko pata hai. Avatar.
Avatar. Because he knew he would react like this.
That was the whole surprise, I guess.
I will teach you the ways of the
I did not expect this. I thought it was gonna be like Shrek or something. I thought you were gonna like, you know.
That's a good idea.
It's pretty good. It's good. You got the. You didn't do the lines all over your face.
I did.
I have them. Yeah. It's good. Huh?
I have them.
Yeah. You should do. Isn't it like dark blue?